आयर शहरी तारा और ग्राइडी हजरत इमाम हुसैन रजी अल्लाह अन्हु का फ़लसफ़ा ज़िंदगी आम लोगों तक पहुँचाने का फ़रीज़ा अदा कर रही हैं। उन्होंने करबला में ज़ियारतों का दौरा भी किया। डबलिन में हमारे नुमाइंदे फैसल मिर्ज़ा से गुफ्तगू करते हुए उनका क्या कहना था, आपको भी सुनवाते हैं।
I know that it sounds outrageous and very profound, but I really did hear a call from Imam Hussain. And I know that you don't make it to Karbala unless you have a personal invitation from him. It's a very spiritual thing. It's the most spiritual thing that's ever happened in my life, and it doesn't make sense in the real world, but it does make sense in my heart. For the last probably 7 years I've known about Karbala and Imam Hussain, and really in the last year I realised that I was absolutely destined to be there and to pay homage to him at his shrine. So the pinpoint of the push is Imam Hussain himself, really. I don't think that Hussain was a man of only one faith. I really believe that he was a man for humanity. I don't see myself as a bridge between two faiths, perhaps maybe part of a river that flows between all of the faiths. I believe that I've been encouraged since I arrived home from Karbala to write about my experiences. The message that I received there very clearly from him was to use my tongue as my sword, and that my battleground would be a paper, and to write on paper what my story was about the pilgrimage. And hopefully that at some point will inspire people also to turn towards Karbala and Imam Hussein's way and his life as an inspiration, and maybe it will touch someone's heart somehow after I'm gone.